Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to log out of Facebook on all devices from a PC. We start by opening Facebook. After that, click on the account icon. Next, we enter Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. After this, we enter the Account Center option and then click on the Password and Security section. Here we are going to click on the Where Have You Logged In option. We will click on the user we want to manage. And then on Select Devices to log out. Now we are going to mark the devices that we want to modify, and then we mark Log Out. We confirm the action in the window that appears. Finally, click on Continue and it may ask you for your password to confirm. After that, you will have signed out of another device. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.